So welcome back, guys, and now I'm going to unbox it and let's check what the phone looks like and the basic specification about the device. So this is the MO21, the Ulefone. The MO is, I think, is kind of very important series for Ulefone. And here in front of the box we can find this kind of like lines like a tire for the cars, so for shoes. And it's IP69K, IP68 proof certification passed it. So this front and the pure box is the old box is kind of very Roger style design. They use a classical design in the, like the other Emerald series, and this one also inherit the classical. And here in the side they put the main features about this device. Ulefone MO21. It's IP68 and IP69K proof, and it also have a 122 dB ambient speaker. It also supports RGB and the infrared radiation remote control, so it can use as a controller to control your air conditioner, TV, or other home devices. And it's supported MediaTek Helio processor chips, 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. Screen 6.5 HD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 64 megapixel plus 24 megapixel rear camera system, 9600 mAh battery, and U-Smart expansion connectors. Pure system from Android, based on Android setting. So after the basic introduction and information about this device, now I'm really excited and cannot wait to unbox it. Let's unbox it. Wow, so after we open it, here is another small package in front of us. I think inside this is a user manual, warranty card or something. Yes, to provide Wow, a very nice high quality tempered glass screen protector. So this is the high quality screen protector customized for this MO21. Here string and pin. This is the SIM card pin, SIM card ejector. So this is the stuff inside this. So next let's check the today's highlight, main actor, the Ulefone MO21. So here it's the MO21. Now I think this error means it support NFC, and here is a specification about the speaker. 3.5 watt speaker, 64 megapixel main camera, real flash LED flashlight, 24 megapixel night vision or 24 megapixel night vision, and TF, and a SIM card slot. Here is infrared emitters. Customized key. Let's get it out from the book, from the plastic bag. Now finally the phone is here. This is the Ulefone MO21. And when we go to the front, we can find more information about this device. IP68 rating, and I think this is similar, same information. They also put it in the on the books. So yes, this is the specification. And peel the screen protector off. And turn on wake up screen. So here is the home page of this device. Here is the remote control. So you can use that as a remote controller. Service center. So this is for the customer service shortcut application. And Okay, let's go to the settings to check more information about this device. Settings. Okay, sorry, here no setting. Here about phone. So here is more information about this device. We can find the chips, the information Helio G99, and the RAM and RAW information. Screen 1080 by 2408. Front camera 60 megapixel. It's based on Android version setting. Okay, so this is the very quick and simple introduction about this device. And next, I'm going to get lots of more accessories here to introduce them one by one. Okay, welcome back. So now I get all the accessories here, and before we introduce this to you, and I think I will show you one thing I think is very important. I will introduce now. It's the Helio light, and we can go to settings. Where's the settings? Here there's a infinite Helio. We can choose different. It's the Helio mode, classical mode, DJ mode, counterclockwise. Okay, and also rhythm. Yes, so here we can choose different kind of light effect mode. And Hello music, 10 ohm, 10 off, 10 ohm. And we can customize the time as well, and the brightness, adjust brightness here. Adjust brightness here. Okay, so this is very funny. Yep. So this is about the very interesting part of the Helio. And about the big speaker, we can test one sound and we can listen to it. 122 dB. Okay, it's very nice gadget for your party. Okay. So this is the introduction about this, and about this Helio light. Is our 16 RGB LED light, consists of the Helio light, and it supports 4 mode: music, notification, charging, and phone call. This is pretty nice. And also for the smartphone, the basic information are already introduced. And for the battery, I think I forget, it's a 9600 battery with 33 watt fast charging. So one-time charging, it can stand by several times, several days. And the refresh light is 120 Hz refresh rate and support to touching rate. 240. Automatic screen refresh light, yes. Then the highest dynamic, so they support different kind of screen refresh light. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so this is the old introduction about this smartphone.